Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You want that film now, but stop and assess risk first. Pirated sites often carry malware and legal exposure. Once done, secure your device by updating the OS, running an antivirus scan, and backing up critical files so a single click won't ruin your data. Now decide exactly what you need: title, language, or release year, because that narrows legal options quickly and makes the next steps efficient and safe for you. You'll now look for legitimate sources. Search major streamers, rental platforms, and your public library's digital catalog. Make sure to compare costs. Sometimes a single rental is cheaper than a monthly subscription if you're viewing one title. Once you locate candidates, check audio and subtitle options, resolution, and whether the region allows playback. If one service lacks the title, make a short list and prioritize the one with the best combination of price, quality, and legal standing for you. You're at the finish line. Choose purchase, rental, or borrow and complete checkout using secure payment methods or gift cards if you prefer. Once paid, select your desired resolution and confirm captions and audio before playback. If streaming, wait for buffers and try wired connections for stability. If something goes wrong, clear the app or browser cache, update the streaming app, and retry. If issues persist, contact the platform's support. They can resolve account or content region problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.